nature's truth are hidden from sight. But to those who seek, they shed their light. The rustling leaves whisper secrets of the forest's ancient spirits. The river's flow tells tales untold of the earth past and its gold. The mountains stand strong and tall, guarding secrets that they enthrall. The animals that roam the land have wisdom that they can expand. The eagle soaring in the sky teaches us how to reach up high. The ocean's depths are vast and wide. Its mysteries are ours to confide. The waves that crash upon the shore reminds us of nature's raw power. The stars that twinkle in the night are nature's way of shining bright. The moon that waxes and wanes teaches us about life's constant change. Nature's truth are all around, waiting to be discovered and found. Take a walk, breathe the air, and you'll find that nature's truth are there. The flowers that bloom in the spring have secrets that they can bring. Their colors and scents tell a story of nature's glory, and its glory. The bees that buzz from flower to flower have lessons that they can empower. Their hard work and dedication teach us about life's true foundation. The wind that blows through the trees has whispers that it can please. Its gentle touch and soothing sound teach us how to be calm and profound. The sun that rises in the east has warmth that it can release. Its light and heat tells a tale of nature's power and its scale.